Do you want to know how you can log into your Shein account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Shein account. Go ahead and open Shein, which is on your phone. Now, click on your profile and then you can see sign in/register, or else you can see that it automatically asks your permission for your Google account. So go ahead and click on your account, and in a while you can see that you have now signed in or logged in to your Shein account. It's quite simple, guys. Let me show it to you once again. First of all, let me sign out of my account, and now to sign in, go ahead and press sign in/register, and then go ahead and click sign in. If you want to sign in with this Gmail, or if you want to sign in with another account, go ahead and click another account. Now you can either sign in with your mobile address, your mobile number, your email address, or you can sign in with Google or your Facebook. So choose your desired way of signing in, click sign in, and then you can log in or sign in to your Shein account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.